Hi, I'm Andy Schaefer. Today I'm going to be giving you a guided tour of a Pathfinder created to assist Topeka residents with accessing and navigating a variety of sources which local and state agencies have made available online. I've come across these resources as a result of working for the Topeka Police Department for several years and would like to make the general public more aware of these easily accessible but underpublicized services which might fulfill some of their information needs. The Pathfinder is presented as a website with sources sorted by the general realms under which they could be categorized. The website is available at topekalawandorder.weebly.com. As you can see here, the homepage lists the categories into which resources have been sorted with direct links to the corresponding pages. There are several law enforcement agencies which operate in and around Topeka. Each offer their own unique resources. The largest agencies, the Police Department, Sheriff's Office, and Highway Patrol, allow users to purchase accident reports from a large archive of accident reports online. These databases are searchable by several criteria, including case number, the date of occurrence, the last names of the drivers, or location. For an example, I'll show you what the search results look like. You can see that here are all the reports that occurred on that date. And if I were to find the one that fulfilled my need, I would just click on the report number, and that would take me to a portal to actually pay for the report and obtain it. The Topeka Police Department's accident report retrieval system is they're very similar to one another. However, users should know that the Kansas Highway Patrol's accident report portal does require that users create a username and password in order to gain access to even search. Now, while this is free, it might provide a barrier entry to some users. The Topeka Police Department and Shawnee County Sheriff's Office also offer similar resources such as staff directories. The Topeka Police Department's staff directory is in the form of an FAQ, which provides the answers in a form of phone numbers that citizens might call in order to get assistance with their problem. And the Shawnee County Sheriff's Directory is in a little more traditional format with the name of the staff member and the phone number that should be called to contact them. Both agencies, that is both the Police Department and the Sheriff's Office, have a statistics map available. Statistics are available in the form of a map to show citizens where crime is actually occurring. It is possible to input an address and see what crime has occurred in and around that address. I'll show you that here. You can see that, let's see, go to address. Pinpointed my address right there. And you can see that it looks like when I do click on the icon, it tells me what the crime that occurred there was and when that happened, and the approximate address of the occurrence. Additionally, the police department offers a community policing map that shows citizens the police officer's name and contact information who is assigned to patrol their neighborhood specifically. This provides outreach between citizens and the police department and makes everybody a little bit safer. The Shawnee County Sheriff's Office has an offender search that's very similar to the criminal statistics search, where you input the address that you want to search near, and the application then displays those offenders who are located near that address within a certain radius. When you click on the icons that are displayed, it shows a picture of the offender as well as providing details as to what their offense was. I've also listed a few other smaller law enforcement agencies that are active in and around Topeka and Shawnee County. The courts that operate in Topeka, the municipal court and district court, also provide several online access points for information that they hold. Both courts allow users to conduct searches of court cases through a public access portal. Users should be aware that the municipal court's public access portal would be most useful to the individual looking at their personal case history, since no offenses or dispositions are given. However, the district court's public access portal provides a lot of detail, including a full timeline of court events, including involved parties and the final disposition of offenses. Searches can be conducted through both portals using case number, the name of the defendant or involved party, and they both also allow users to narrow the search by type of case, civil or criminal, and the date of birth of the involved party. Both the municipal court and the district court also offer the option to pay certain citations and fees online. You can see here, for this one, you do actually have to select the specific court that you're wishing to pay for a citation for. And users should note that they'll need to have their case number or citation nearby, as these are required to complete payment. Both courts have also published a useful list of answers to frequently asked questions. The municipal court goes one step further and provides a full list of fines associated with each infraction or offense which they might adjudicate. They also provide a breakdown of court costs. While not administered by the court, I felt it necessary to include the portal to pay parking tickets here as well, since they're tangentially related. Users may also want to further understand what certain laws and ordinances which are enforced in Topeka actually say. Links to the full text of these codes are listed under the Laws and Ordinances section. Finally, the Kansas Department of Revenue has several tools available to assist Kansas drivers. The first allows users to check the status of their driver's license. The Department of Revenue has also made it possible for users to purchase driving records online. Users must indicate their specific purpose for obtaining the records prior to receiving that record. There are also fees associated with simply searching, so users should be aware of that before they pursue this option. The agency also has a published document that assists users in understanding what the driving record actually says, as this can be somewhat obtuse if you don't know what you're looking for. The agency, similar to the other agencies that you've seen here, have an FAQ. That page is currently down, but I've linked on my Pathfinder to an archived version of it. This FAQ provides a comprehensive list of answers to questions that they frequently field at this agency, in addition to related links. Well, I hope this Pathfinder serves its users well. It will be maintained to ensure new resources are added as they become available. Please contact me if you have any questions or have suggestions of resources that I should add. Thank you.